Alright guys, so this is the American flag install for the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2017 model. This will also fit other years. So if you notice, it is pre-cut. No trimming required. He's just squeezing it down. So you always want to make sure that you go through it really carefully. Our vinyl is made of air release, so there is no bubbles guaranteed when you install it, if you install it carefully. We're installing it outside on a windy day. So go from the stars. Go from the stars. So there you go, American flag install, pre-cut, matte black. Make sure you wipe down your window carefully before installing it, because anything like a dust particle or something like that can actually get caught right underneath the vinyl. This isn't an air bubble right here. That's dirt. So just make sure you clean your window. We're probably gonna take this off and reinstall it. But yeah, there you go. And if you ordered between December, between January, just letting you know that it will be delayed, just because right now we're handling some packaging issues. But after that, every order is gonna be on time. Sorry guys for the delay, but as again, Grand Cherokee flag install.